Welcome back to our SSLC math series. In today's video, we will solve a 3-mark question which is taken from the model question paper 4. Here we find the coordinates of the point of trisection of a line segment. Stay tuned because we will show you how to solve it step by step by using the section formula. The question to be solved is find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points 2, negative of 2 and negative of 7, 4. What has been given here? The points A 2, negative of 2 and B negative of 7, 4. Now let us try to visualize it. You need not draw the graph here. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now let A be the point. This is the point A, 2, negative of 2. This is the point B, negative of 7, 4. This is the line joining the points. What is to be found out? Coordinates of the point of trisection. This is the point, first point. Let us name this point as P, this point as Q. So we have to find the coordinates of the points P and Q. If a line is divided in 3 equal parts, the trisection points are in the ratio. This is the first point of trisection. Divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. This is the second point Q. This point divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. Now let us find the coordinates of P and Q by using section formula. Write the section formula very carefully. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now the point P divides the line in the ratio 1:2 like this. Now m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 2, x1 y1 is equal to 2, negative of 2. x2 y2 is equal to negative of 7, 4. Now let us substitute the values to find the x coordinate. When we simplify it, we will get negative of 7 plus 4 upon 1 plus 2, which is equal to negative of 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Now let us substitute the values to find the y coordinate. When we simplify it, we will get 4 minus 4 upon 1 plus 2, which is equal to 0 by 3, which is equal to 0. So the coordinates are negative of 1, 0. So coordinate of P is negative of 1, 0. Now let us find the coordinates of the point Q by using the same section formula. Here the point Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. So here m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 1, x1 y1 is equal to 2, negative of 2, x2 y2 is equal to negative of 7, 4. Now let us substitute the values to find the x coordinate, which is equal to negative of 4. And also let us substitute the values for the y coordinate, which is equal to 2. So the coordinates of Q are negative of 4, 2. And now it is the time for writing the final answer. Hence the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points 2, negative of 2 and negative of 7, 4 are 2 points are there. negative of 1, 0 and negative of 4, 2. And that's it. We found the two trisection points of the line segment joining the points 2, negative of 2 and negative of 7, 4 as negative of 1, 0 and negative of 4, 2. Remember, the key idea is applying the section formula with the ratios 1:2 and 2:1. Keep practicing these problems and you will master them in no time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SSLC math solutions. Thank you for watching.